Number 1. Ants in your pants. Its meaning is jumpy or restless. Its usage. Johnny never sits in one place but always hops about in class like he has got ants in his pants. Its origin. This saying probably comes from the Stone Age when man used to live in caves and all the small insects from the wild would live with him too. Ants would be everywhere, including the pants. Imagine if you really had ants in your pants, wouldn't that be jumping about? Number 2. Bug someone. Its meaning is to irritate someone. Its usage. My cousin Elena talks non-stop while I'm trying to read and this bugs me. Its origin. When insects buzz around your face, it is very irritating, isn't it? In Africa, where there are many countries and languages, the word for annoy are baga, bugal, and then Europeans who were exploring Africa learned of this and coined the saying to bug someone. Number 3. Butterflies in the stomach. Its meaning is a nervous feeling. Its usage. Rodney sings at the top of his voice in the bathroom, but on the stage he gets butterflies in his stomach. Its origin. When you are really nervous or scared, you get odd sensations in your stomach. Uneasiness, like there is something alive inside, like fluttering butterflies. Similarly, when we are very hungry, we say that rats are running about in my stomach. Because our stomach is a bag-like hollow, we attribute emptiness to it and equate all our sensations to animals and insects running about inside. Number 4. Catch more flies with honey than with vinegar. Its meaning is to accomplish more by being polite. Its usage. Edwina asked her mother for another cheese sandwich very sweetly. She knows that she can catch more flies with honey than with vinegar. Its origin. Vinegar is sour like impolite people and honey is sweet like well-mannered people. Flies are attracted to sweet things like honey more than to sour things like vinegar. So it is always beneficial to be polite. Number 5. Fly in the ointment. Its meaning is small annoyances that spoils the entire show. Its usage. Everything was going well at the party until Titus arrived and started making fun of everyone. He was a real fly in the ointment. Its origin. An ointment is a soft, smooth paste that helps to heal the skin and wounds. However, if a small thing like a fly fell into it, would you want to use it on yourself? No. Fly in the ointment means anyone or anything that spoils the entire show. Number 6. Knee-high to a grasshopper. Its meaning is very short or very young. Its usage. The old man told Robert that he had known his father when he was only knee-high to a grasshopper. Its origin. Grasshoppers are very small insects that have powerful legs and can jump well. If you look closely, you can see their knees. And if you were only knee-high to a grasshopper, then you would be really young or short. and rug is another name for carpet.